What you saw there was one pelican, and I didn't see the other pelicans, but it was going to a group of 5 or 6, 7, maybe 8 more pelicans. And I've only seen one other pelican in my life, and it was at Garland Park at the lake over there. Not only that, I've seen other birds like these seagulls. I believe they're called seagulls, which you would only see when you were near the ocean at one point. And now you're starting to see them in Colorado. I think they're probably tired of the big cities. They're tired of all the traffic, and they're moving. You're seeing other sorts of species. This is crazy. Okay. Yeah, I can't afford to go to the games. I'll tell you, it's not as exciting being at a football game live than watching it on TV. Especially now. I mean, back when it was the old stadium, Mile High Stadium, it was great because as the game ended, the way you exited Mile High Stadium was you had to go next to the field. So there'd be a bunch of alcoholics, a bunch of drunk people, and they'd be leaving the stadium, but they'd have to do it next to the field, so they'd be yelling obscenities at the opposing team. It was great.